Hi everybody, I'm here today with Mr. Cow. And what is so funny, Mr. Cow? Uh, what is so funny? I'm just getting started. Can you please not laugh right now? Thank you. So, I came on because I wanted to share another story with you, and so did Mr. Cow. And I didn't have any more that I'd published, but I found some treasures in my filing cabinet. I found some stories that I read as a little girl. So today I'm going to read you one called Nature's Little Blessings. What? Okay, Mr. Cow says he wants to read. So here we go. Mr. Cow's going to read to you Nature's Little Blessings.
Okay, boys and girls, here's Mr. Cow. I'm gonna read this story to you. I hope you enjoy it. Mrs. Engelbrecht here.
Yes? Do you need me?
Well, I need you to turn the pages. Could you do that?
Sure, Mr. Cow.
Okay, here we go. Nature's Little Blessings. Nature's Little Blessings, written and illustrated by Rebecca S. Ram. Ram was Becca Engelbrecht's maiden name. In the meadow there's a jolly brown rabbit who likes to jump around, boing boing. He likes to crunch on orange carrots after he pulls them up from the ground. Every time I see his little face, he smiles with a great big grin. Then he begins to twirl around, twirl, and starts to spin, spin, spin. He always makes me happy. I clap for him with glee, clap. I realize this little nature blessing was created today just for me. I had a lot of fun reading to you, boys and girls, today. I hope that you can go outside in nature and find some fun things too. See you next time. Bye-bye.